Vai ficar.
Daqui tem um bueiro ali. Oh, meu Deus! Ai, meu Deus! Sai daí! Ai, meu Deus! Ai, meu Deus, ai, meu Deus, ai, meu Deus! Ai, ai, meu Deus do céu!
Hay al menos 5 muertos y más de 1,5 millones de personas sin electricidad después de que una poderosa tormenta, como están viendo, haya azotado São Paulo, en Brasil. Las ráfagas de viento, como las que...
Strong winds accompanied by heavy rain swept through Taubaté in the São Paulo region of Brazil, creating a dramatic and destructive weather event that left residents shocked and unprepared. Powerful gusts tore through neighborhoods, uprooting trees, damaging rooftops, and disrupting daily life within minutes. Streets quickly turned into rivers as intense rainfall overwhelmed drainage systems, flooding homes, shops, and public spaces. Emergency services rushed to respond, while residents sought shelter from flying debris and collapsing structures.
Rapaziada, tornado, tornado. É tornado, louco. Minha Nossa Senhora, tá voando tudo a teia. Tá fica. Tornado, galera. Acabou com a rua, velho. Acabou com a rua. Bagaçou, velho, bagaçou. As árvores arrancou na raiz lá, ó.
The storm's sudden arrival amplified fear, turning an ordinary day into a moment of chaos and uncertainty. As the storm intensified, electricity outages spread across large areas, plunging entire districts into darkness. Traffic was brought to a standstill as fallen trees and flooded roads blocked major routes. Many families were forced to evacuate their homes, carrying only essential belongings, while rescue teams worked tirelessly to assist vulnerable residents. Social media platforms were flooded with dramatic images and videos showing the devastating power of the storm, highlighting the fragile balance between urban life and extreme natural forces. After the storm passed, the scale of destruction became fully visible. Buildings were damaged, vehicles were submerged, and public infrastructure suffered severe losses. Local authorities began cleanup operations and damage assessments, while meteorologists warned that such extreme weather events may become more frequent due to climate change. The people of Taubaté demonstrated resilience and solidarity, supporting one another through recovery efforts. This powerful reminder of nature's force underlines the importance of preparedness, early warning systems, and community cooperation to minimize the impact of future natural disasters in Brazil.
Ah, louco. Oi?
Não adianta mais. Quero ver se aquela ali tá seca.